Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to animate element in Canva for a video. Now, select the element. Let's say I'm going to add a little slice here or split at the middle, and I'm going to choose this part. All right. Next, hit animate at the very top right. All right. And choose an effect like create an animation to draw a custom motion path, right? If you want to. So you can go ahead and choose an already made one, or if you want to choose a custom one, you can go ahead and upgrade your Canva in order to create your own kind of animation, right? So basically that's it. You can then adjust the speed, direction, and duration of the animation if you choose a custom one. So in my case, I'm gonna choose the already made one here, and I can animate both, like from the beginning to the end, or enter, basically in the beginning, on exit, meaning the outro. So you can go ahead and apply to all pages, or if you want in the middle, or basically in the beginning only, you can go ahead and hit on enter only. And basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.